Hello everyone, it's Tunzi FX. Hope you're all doing fine and great. It's been a very long time I've posted on my YouTube channel. Just decided to take a break from YouTube. But I've had people texting me on Telegram and WhatsApp asking about my signals and my strategies. I know it's been a very long time. For my calculations, it's been a year since I'm posted on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so from now on it will be just once in a while, unlike before that I post every 4 or 5 days. So I will not be posting on YouTube like I usually do. But today I just decided to drop this on you guys on this channel. As you can see on my screen right now, I'm taking a trade. I'm taking gold, and this is 15 minutes time frame. Now, let me explain what you all can see on my screen. As you can see right now, I'm using two exponential moving averages. As you can see on your screen, two exponential moving averages, and also this indicator right here, relative strength index. Now let me explain to you how this works. To take a sell trade like I'm taking right now on my screen, you can see I'm selling. And why did I sell? Why did I take the sell trade? I did so because the candles, they are formed below my two exponential moving averages, as you can see on your screen right now. So I took the trade when this particular candle formed. When this particular candle formed, I checked my two moving averages. The candle closed well below the two moving averages, and I did what? I came here to my indicator window right here, and I could see that my relative strength index line is above 50. As you can see, this is 50 right here. As you can see on the screen, this is 50. And at the formation of this particular bearish candle, it closed below these two moving averages. So I took my sell trade. As you can see, I've bagged 60 pips and counting. So I'm still on this trade right now. So now, if you look closely, you see I even entered late. See, from this top right here, my candle has already formed. As you can see, this big bearish candle closed well below my moving averages. And when it did, the market consolidated a little bit. Excuse me. The market consolidated a little bit. And when it did, I waited because I already missed out on this particular entry on this big candle before the formation of this big candle. So I decided to wait. And when I did, you can see right here, I waited for this candle to form and I placed my trade. So the market consolidated a little bit. You can see the ranging right here. It ranged, and when it did, it closed. A bearish candle closed well below these two moving averages, and I placed my trade. As you can see, look at my point of entry, and voila, market keeps falling. So that is how these moving averages, the two exponential moving averages and my RSI, that's how it works. To take a buy trade as well, you wait for the candle to close above, like a proper closing above my two exponential moving averages before you take a buy trade. And after the close above the moving averages, you have to wait. Make sure that your RSI is reading above 50, is heading towards this 70 zone, as you can see on the screen. Now, some would say, okay, why here? There's been a close above. There's been a close above my moving averages. Some would say, why didn't I buy at this point? No, I can't buy because even with the close above this moving average, if I come down here to my indicator window, my RSI is just around 50 to 52%. And as you can see, it's not a strong buy signal. This is not a strong buy signal. A strong buy signal would be heading to 70%. My RSI should be moving or heading towards 70%, not ranging within the 50 to 60%. That is not a strong buy trade. For the RSI, the way the RSI works is that the trend is stronger. That is, a downtrend is stronger when the RSI is reading below 30%. Do you understand now? So, and a buy trend is strong or is very strong when the RSI is reading above 70%. In this case, the RSI might not be reading below 30%, but as you can see, it is heading towards that 30%. So that's why I knew that this particular trade is going to be a sell trade, because the RSI is a confirmation, and the moving averages, the candle closing below the moving average has told me that, oh, Mr. Man, get ready to sell. And when the candle closes, I just look down here and saw and realized that, oh, my RSI is already reading below 30. It's already reading or heading towards a 30%. So I'm staying on this trade because I believe the RSI will still fall below 30%. So I'm staying on this trade. What will make me close this trade is if the RSI closes is moving or heading above 50, then I realize, oh, the trend might be changing anytime soon. But for now, as you can see right here, it's still ranging, and I believe after a little bit consolidation, the market, this candle will still fall. You can see another indication yesterday. You can see the dates, March 21, 2024. You can see right here. Look at this. As this candle closed below my exponential moving averages, look at the fall. Can you see the fall? Keeps falling, falling, and falling. And look at my RSI. Look at my RSI at the points. It's already below 50. It's 44%. At the formation of this particular candle, as you can see, at the formation of this particular candle, my RSI is reading or was reading below 50%. So this particular trade, I took it yesterday and I closed my profits. Yesterday I made profit from this gold and I closed my profit. So I'm still on gold again today, thanks to my signal and my strategy. I'm still on this trade and I'm still going to leave it for a while because I think gold has a long way to go today. So before today is Friday, so before market closes today, I believe there's going to be a little bit of fall for gold, still going to dip a little bit. So this particular strategy works on all currency pairs. It works mostly for USD currency pairs and also works on gold, and it mostly works perfect for on 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, as you can see, let me show you another indication of this strategy working. As you can see, on March 20th, 2024, so you can see right here, look at this big candle closing above this my moving averages, and you can see, look at the RSI is reading heading towards 70. Can you see? And when this particular candle closes and the moving average is heading towards 70%, you can see the RSI is reading above 70%, and you can see, look how the market goes up. Gold keeps flying up and up and up. So you can see this strategy works perfectly for USD pairs, and gold is also a USD pair, even though it's not a currency pair, it's a commodity, but it works inversely with dollar. So as you can see now, this strategy works. You watch out for when candle closes above the moving averages, and for confirmation it comes to your RSI. See whether it's reading above 50 towards 70%, which is telling you to buy, or below 50 towards 30%, which is telling you to take a sell trade. Now, also I have Euro USD here. Look at Euro dollar, 15 minutes time frame still. Look at this close here. This candle, this big bearish candle, closes below my moving average, the moving averages, and as you can see, for confirmation, the RSI is heading towards 30%, below 50. So I didn't take this trade I was more focused on gold. So this particular movement is today, March 22nd, Friday. So I didn't take this trade, but as you can see, look at the fall. Look at the fall. It keeps falling and falling and falling and falling. And this is almost this is 50 pips. USD fell 50 pips from this point to this point. So you can see this strategy works very, very perfect. It works very well. And also pounds dollar, as you can see, look at pounds dollar. Also, a close below the moving, this candle closes below the moving averages, and check out my RSI also reading below 50, heading towards 30%. So this strategy is very, very reliable. I assure you that. So if you have any questions, you can comment under this video and also like. Thank you for watching my video. I remain 2ZFX. Like I said earlier, my video posting on YouTube will be once in a while now. So if you have any question, you can text me directly on Telegram or WhatsApp. Or if you're interested in my signal or strategy, you can also text me on WhatsApp and Telegram. My number is right there on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I remain 2ZFX. God bless you all.